I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely for you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Hello you guys. Really I should say good evening because I just finished a 12.5-hour shift at the end of my stretch and I figured I would film a little bit of, whoa, Beyonce is already interrupting me for my jam session on the way home. There's always like a post stretch pump up that needs to occur. I survived my stretch and now I'm ready to unwind, go home, try to be productive. I don't know, I'm just gonna bring you guys along a night in my life of what I do to somehow keep my life together, unwind from a shift, and how I like de-stress and process some things. Because today's shift, although it was like pretty good for me, I was busy but I really enjoyed my patients and that was great. I work in pediatric oncology and there was a patient that was not doing great and it just changes the whole vibe of the floor. And then at the same time, like as a nurse who's gone through taking care of other comfort care patients or taking care of really sick kids, it just like brings back your own personal memories and trauma that you went through with other patients and it just changes things. And so I felt like I had like really happy moments in my day and then like really deep sad moments. We're gonna take care of ourselves tonight because there's no way you can do this job and not. The first step, of course, is to drive home and we need to get some food because by the time I get home it's like 8 p.m. and I'm starving. Let's roll out. We are gonna jam out to Beyonce's new album. I'm obsessed with it. If you haven't listened or if you have a favorite song, you should let me know down below what your favorite song is because I have been literally obsessed. I'm also very ready to shower. I feel like my face is greasy. It's so hot here in Oregon that I'm like, I gotta wash my hair, I gotta wash my face, we gotta clean up. So that's what we're gonna do.
I don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
This is where I do all the pocket emptying. I have to take like my pen out, my AirPods out, all the stuff out of the pockets, my phone, report sheet, and then I usually have to go to the bathroom so quickly, which is the case right now, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, you guys, I feel so much better. I washed my hands. I am now gonna get some food. I'm really hungry and I just need something quick because I have so much that I wanna do tonight. So we're gonna heat up a little factor bowl. This is the turkey chili and zucchini. I think I mixed too many antibiotics today. My hands are weak. We are gonna get something that is really special to me and important because I had a really interesting conversation today with one of my patients' moms who asked me how I cope with seeing difficult things on our floor and how she was having a hard time with it. I was like, wow, that's a really deep question. And I feel like I actually don't really talk about it that much. So I'm gonna share with you guys some things that I do and some things that I brought up in this conversation because I think it's a really important point. When I tell people that I work in pediatric oncology, their initial reaction is like disbelief and sadness and shock, and how do you do that? Faced with this question, I first acknowledged how difficult it is. I was like, yeah, it's not easy, and it's especially easy to have comparison in the oncology world of so-and-so's outcome versus someone else's outcome, or how someone is progressing through their treatment versus someone else. A kid being very joyful and playful on the floor versus another one being so tired and sleeping all day. As a parent, I feel like I have to witness that and process all that, not only of your own child, but also of the children around you. I was thinking about it and I was like, well, there's a lot of things that I do, and one of them is a little bit of reflection. Now, I always like felt like it was too hard for me to journal detail by detail of what I experience as an oncology nurse, and so I decided that it would be be appropriate for me just to pick like some one-liners, like write in one sentence something that I want to remember about that day. And so I have a journal here, and I have a section in the journal that chronicles moments I want to remember in nursing. And some of them are really sad and happy, and some of them are funny, and some of them are crazy. And so I write them down when I remember them, because it kind of takes me personally back, because I'm the only one reading these. There was a couple this weekend that I wanted to write down, so I'm gonna write these down during dinner time. The other thing that I thought about was how lucky I feel and how much gratitude that I now live with working in pediatric oncology. I feel like I have this unique perspective that not a lot of other people, they may think they understand cancer and oncology, but there is a small percentage of people who have actually been on an oncology floor and seen and dealt with some of these complex issues and emotions. I feel like I want to take that gratitude and perspective and share it with the world. And so the other thing that makes me feel really good and helps me process some of these difficult moments is acts of kindness to others, like in my life or just in the world in general. And so I stopped by at the grocery store today and got a whole bunch of apples, like a dozen apples, because it's Mother's Day weekend and I feel a little bit guilty that I am not celebrating my mom, who of course like understands that I have another job and purpose that I'm celebrating. And she's like, it's just a day, like we can celebrate it another day. But I'm like, you know what? Life is too short. Go out of your way and do some really special things for people. And so I decided that I want to make my mom an apple crisp, because I care about her so much and I want to show a little bit of love to her. So maybe I'll start on it tonight, and we'll see if I have enough energy to do that, because I have a whole to-do list and tons of things that I want to get done. Also important in this field to slow down and have these like special meaningful moments, or think of a way to cheer up a friend, or send that text, or you know, put a sticky note on someone's desk. That's like what I did today. I think it's like really important to take care of your coworkers who are like in the room experiencing these really difficult moments. Little things like that make such a big difference. And that's what I was telling this mom, is like, you realize that it is all about these little things, and little moments make such a huge impact. If you are a nurse or work in healthcare, it's true that we see a lot of really challenging moments, and that's why self-care is important. So I'm gonna do a little bit of journaling, try to be a little bit productive on days like tonight, like even though I'm home from work. It's a balance. I love the balance of like taking care of myself and relaxing, but also trying to get some things done. So we're gonna do both tonight, but let's eat.
It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
All right, you guys, finished dinner, did some reflecting. I actually hadn't done that in a couple weeks, and there were some moments that I was really happy I put on there. Anyways, now it is time to make my to-do list. This is just kind of like a keep me on track, trying to like push myself, because if I sit down for too long, I won't get up and I won't be able to get anything done. I put simple stuff on here, like brushing my teeth, taking a shower, doing the dishes, making this list, taking out the trash, checking my mail. That's what we're gonna do right now, just so we can like keep track of our night, because I really do try to set myself up for success on my first day off. And part of that is just like making sure my apartment is tidy. So I like to do what's called the 20-minute tidy. Just straighten things up and put things away, do the dishes, any clothes that are on the floor, put them away. Sometimes it's even the 10-minute tidy, and I just put on a song, let's make our to-do list, and then let's 20-minute tidy. That was only like a 10-minute tidy. That was a fast one today. And the win is that I got all of my dirty clothes from my trip that I got back from in the desert all in the laundry. So we're gonna start this laundry while I go take a shower and wash my dirty hair and get all clean and cozy. I probably won't have the time or energy to fold my laundry today, because I just know that that's not gonna happen. But if I can get it all the way dry in the dryer, and then tomorrow morning watch a little morning television while I fold my laundry, I feel like that would work out great. We did our dishes, we checked our emails, and now we shower. We took a wonderful long shower. We listened to music. I just sat down for a little bit and switched over my laundry to the dryer and gave my madre a call. And now we are gonna blow dry our hair. I am literally so excited to be working with Laifen on this video, which is my absolute favorite blow dryer. How this all began is that I got this blow dryer for my mom for Christmas like 2 years ago because we both had the same blow dryer that was like super heavy, extremely loud, absolutely dreaded blow drying her hair. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna change this woman's life. I'm gonna get her this blow dryer because I had fabulous reviews. And then I started to like literally steal her blow dryer. I would just like wash my hair at my parents' house because I loved her blow dryer so much. I was obsessed with it. So then for Christmas, I got my own version of this blow dryer. I've been using the Laifen blow dryer for like a year now. It seriously has changed the game for me. Part of the reason is because it's so lightweight. It literally feels like I'm just holding like a water bottle, and it's quiet too. I could probably watch YouTube videos while I'm blow drying my hair and still hear what's going on. This is what she looks like. She's stunning white. She's got this nice little magnetic removable section which helps direct the heat where you want it. The cord wraps up cleanly. It just looks sleek, and it is like a fraction of the price of some of the other big brand popular blow dryers. I was so impressed by this blow dryer that I took it to my hairdresser, who's one of my best friends. I made her blow dry my hair with it instead of using her normal blow dryer and compared the two, and I was like, okay, give me an honest review. And she was like, no dude, I'm like actually impressed. I'm gonna recommend this to people because it's so fabulous. She also said that since my New Year's resolution this year, which was to blow dry my hair and not go to sleep with wet hair, which is what I used to do. My previous night routine, after a shift, I was like so tired I could barely wash my hair, and then I was like, good night, I'm going to bed. I do not have time to carry heavy, loud blow dryer forever. My hair is less greasy when I actually blow dry it and get it dry before I go to sleep. Like, I can totally notice a difference. I have noticed a big difference in my hair, and my hairdresser is like, no, seriously, your hair is usually so damaged after ski season, but it's so much better than usual, and it's because you're actually taking good care of your hair. We're putting a little bit of oil on the ends, and we just put like a tiny bit of heat protectant in it just to protect it. But one of the things that I also love about the Laifen blow dryer is that it has a bunch of settings. There's a low speed and then a full low. And then there's 4 different heat settings. There's a cool setting, a warm setting, a hot setting, and then a rotating setting that cycles through all 3 of those. This is cool, warm, hot, and then if I hold it, it'll rotate through all of these. Let's blow dry our hair so then we can wind down our night. Voila, my hair is dry. When I tell you that this takes like 4.5 minutes and I have the thickest hair, it's amazing, you guys. I'm just telling you, if you are in need of a good blow dryer, this Laifen beauty is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in my description box so you guys can check it out. And if anyone you love or care about has a birthday or something that they deserve to be celebrated for coming up, think about this. Huge thank you again to Laifen for working with me on this video. I have wanted to work with them for so long. Now that our hair is brushed, our laundry pretty much done. It's already so late. When I tell you, it's 10:22. The night just flies by after a shift. I thought I was gonna be able to bake tonight, but I kind of doubt that that's gonna happen now. So we might just do that tomorrow when we're feeling a little bit more energized. This is what usually happens. It's a fine balance between keeping myself sane and being productive, but at least our apartment's clean. Thinking I might make myself a little bit of tea, which is what I typically do to wind down my night, and then watch Keeping Up with Kardashians because I got on a little bit of a kick last night. Let me tell you how good it feels to have my back against these pillows right now. I actually hit my 10,000 step goal today, which you'd think like nurses do walk a lot, but sometimes my floor is like a triangle shape, so I don't walk as much as I expect. I have my cute little jelly cat friends here, Miso Sue and AT. They're bringing me lots of smiles, keeping me nice and cozy. I am obsessed with, or at least like starting to fall asleep with my heating pad. My Apple Watch is plugged in. We did not cross everything off the to-do list that we wanted to do, but we did do quite a bit. We brushed our teeth. We did not make the apple crisp. Okay, so we missed 2 things on the list, which is not bad. The key is to be ambitious with these things, and then, you know, you get done what you get done. I'm pulling out my handy dandy favorite eye mask ever. I will link this down below. It's in my favorite nursing essentials that I cannot live without. It gets really bright in my room, and now the sun rises super duper early, so if I do not put this on, I will wake up. We are enjoying a little bit of chamomile tea in the piggy mug, and I think it's time to watch some Kardashians. It's like very mindless to watch, and I think when my mind is working all day, sometimes I just need to like watch something chill, watch something funny. Okay. My laundry is so loud in the background. It should be done in like 20 minutes, which will be perfect because I will be asleep by then. I'm probably gonna end the video here because there's really nothing exciting else going on besides me hanging out with Chris, Kim, Chloe, Kylie, Kendall, the crew, and then trying to get to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on a night in my life. How I like to unwind from my shift, some things that I like to do to make me feel better and keep my life somewhat together. In the spirit of today's video, today's question of the day is gonna be a gratitude question. I feel like I ask this question all the time, but you know what? There's never enough gratitude in this world. So list 3 simple things that you're grateful for. For me, supportive friends and family, clean sheets, air conditioning, because it's been extremely hot. The AC helps me sleep. Comment down below what you guys are grateful for, and be sure to also check out the description box to shop the Laifen blow dryer. If you are in need of a blow dryer that will change your life, please text someone that you love them today. Send them something to make them smile. I love you guys so much. Good night.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking